I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I apologize.
I apologize.
Please forgive me.
Please forgive me.
I regret what I said.
I regret what I said.
I take full responsibility for my actions.
I take full responsibility for my actions.
I'm so sorry for hurting you.
I'm so sorry for hurting you.
I'm sorry for any inconvenience I caused.
I'm sorry for any inconvenience I caused.
Please accept my apologies.
Please accept my apologies.
I didn't mean to offend you.
I didn't mean to offend you.
I feel terrible about what happened.
I feel terrible about what happened.
I'm ashamed of my behavior.
I'm ashamed of my behavior.
I hope you can forgive me.
I hope you can forgive me.
I promise to do better in the future.
I promise to do better in the future.
I want to make things right.
I want to make things right.
I understand how you feel.
I understand how you feel.
I'm sorry for being thoughtless.
I'm sorry for being thoughtless.
I'm sorry for not listening to you.
I'm sorry for not listening to you.
I apologize for my mistake.
I apologize for my mistake.
I apologize for any harm I caused.
I apologize for any harm I caused.
I'm sorry for being insensitive.
I'm sorry for being insensitive.
I'm sorry for being late.
I'm sorry for being late.
I'm sorry for not keeping my promise.
I'm sorry for not keeping my promise.
I'm sorry for my bad attitude.
I'm sorry for my bad attitude.
I'm sorry for my behavior.
I'm sorry for my behavior.
I'm sorry for the way I treated you.
I'm sorry for the way I treated you.